Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact YouTube URL you want to share. Copy the video or channel link now. Once copied, open Instagram and go straight to your profile page. Don't navigate elsewhere. Tap Edit Profile and locate the website field. This is where links become clickable on your profile. Make sure you pick the preferred destination because this link is the one visitors will click. If you want a cleaner look, consider a shortener before pasting, but paste the full link first to confirm it works. Now paste the YouTube link into the website box, and don't forget to add a quick call to action in your bio so viewers know why to click. You can write, "Watch my latest video," followed by an emoji or arrow to draw attention. If you want analytics, append UTM parameters or use a short, memorable redirect before you paste. This helps measure clicks. Once the link and bio text look right, hit Save at the top right. Make sure to double-check formatting and spacing to avoid broken links. Finish by saving your profile and immediately test the link by tapping it on your public profile view. You should land on the YouTube page. If you want extra reach, create a story and use the link sticker or mention the bio link in a post caption. If the link isn't opening, make sure the app is updated, clear cache, and repaste the full URL into the website field. Sometimes invisible characters from copying cause issues. If problems persist, try a different browser or device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.